Hi, seventh graders. So now that you have completed all of both of your design idea sketches for your sustainable home, now you have two separate idea sketches for your sustainable homes, you're going to be choosing your design that you think best meets the design specification that you created in task 1 of criterion B, and that supports and is an example of all the research that you did in criterion A. Um, so, uh, as a reminder, we're not going to be redrawing the chosen design for this unit, for this task, but you're going to need to follow the template and example that I've given you today, that I'm going to show you today, in order to do this correctly and completely. So no, you're not going to have to redraw your design, but you will have to state which design you do choose, analyze both of your designs, and then justify why you're choosing the one that you do. So if you look here, here will be the template for your chosen design. What you're going to be doing is assessing your design against the success criteria that you developed in task 1 of criterion B against that specification. So you'll assess both of your sketch ideas, the ones you completed last Friday and Monday. You'll rank them with numbers. So for each specification, how well did it perform? And then after that, you're going to write a justification for why you're choosing the design that you choose. You can use your evaluations from the tables to help support your idea, but you need to explain why the design you chose meets the specifications better than the other. Why does it best suit the family that you're designing it for? And why is it the best example of a sustainable home from your two different ideas? And you have to state exactly which one is that. It does do all those things better and why it's your choice. Which one it is, why it does things better, and why it's your choice is basically what you're going to have to do. So what you'll do is you'll copy this template over, this table over into your design journal. So you've already created your design journal for criterion B. You've put your specifications here in task 1, your table with your specifications here. Your design idea sketches, you should be sure to insert here the first and second design idea sketches. They should go here. And then what you're doing today is going here in this third task slot. To present the chosen design and outline the reasons for its selection. That's what goes here in that third task. Let's look today though at the example that I've shown for this so you can maybe understand a little bit better how to complete this. So in order to do that, you're going to fill in this table, the design specification evaluation table, essentially. You will fill in this table with each of the design specifications that you created in task 1 of criterion B. So if you remember, they look just like this. You created a list of specifications. You were supposed to submit them on Google Classroom, and I've given you feedback if you've done that. But you're going to take these specifications, each of these specifications, and move them over into this table. You should add rows to the table. If we go here, add rows to the table depending on how many that you need or don't need. So if you made 10 different specifications, 10 different specific things your home has to have to be successful, then you'll create 10 rows here, okay? So you'll put those here, and then looking at your idea sketches, looking at each idea sketch, you're going to rate it out of 5, or if you want to do 10, whatever you'd like, just rate it out of a number. So if it's in the right shape that you declared, or it uses the right materials that you declared, then you can say it does this 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5, whatever it is, whatever the score is. And then you'll do that for each of your specifications. So you'll move them over from the design specification you created in task 1 of criterion B. You'll move each of those over, you'll put them in this table, and then you'll rate the sketches on how well they meet that specification. Then once you've done that with each, you will give it a total. So for how many however many you have, you'll create a total number and then give it a grade out of that number. And then after that, like I've said, you're going to write a paragraph or a few paragraphs that justify why this design is the better one for the family that you've chose in terms of sustainability, aesthetics, materials, function, suitability, everything for the family. Why is this the best one for them? And you need to use strong examples and give reasonings. And so you will do that all in your design journal, like I said. So you'll be recording all of this in your design journal under task 3. You'll put the table and the justification. And then in order to complete your assignment for today, to submit your assignment for the day, you're going to take a screenshot of your progress from your design journal. So the work you do with your task 3, you're evaluating the 2 different ideas, sketch ideas against the specification, the work you do with that in the table, and then the paragraphs or the writings that you do afterwards to create your justification. You will be doing all of those in your design journal here. So you'll take a screenshot of that work that you've done and you'll insert it into this document here, which you can see on the assignment. This one here, you'll insert that, take a screenshot of it, put it here, and you will submit that as your assignment for today, so you don't lose access to your design journal, because remember, if you turn that in, then you can't edit it anymore. So just be sure that you take a screenshot of what you do today in terms of rating your design ideas, your design sketches against your specification that you created, and then creating the justification for why you're choosing the design that you are choosing. So that's what you're doing today. Good luck. Email me if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy your long weekend this week. Next Monday, we'll be doing task 4 and completing task 4 and be submitting all of Criterion B next Monday. So make sure you get caught up and have finished your task 3 today. So you just have to finish task 4 on next Monday and submit all of your work for Criterion B. Bye, guys.